Weesperhaven in Amsterdam is special for two main reasons. First, it was developed in 2013 by the local residents of the Weesperhaven area, together with the city of Amsterdam. We spent several years working to make it a reality. The second reason it's remarkable is that about 3 years ago, with a grant from the province of North Holland, we electrified the harbor. This project was carried out together with La Dodos and Ratio Electric, and it was completed this summer. La Dodos was also the company that introduced Ratio Electric from Nijkerk to us, and together we started this project from the ground up. It's now been about a year since our collaboration began, and we're now in the final stages of the project. Working with Ratio Electric and La Dodos has been a very positive and smooth cooperation. Our users, the 28 members of our association, are extremely pleased with the installation of the charging points. There are two main reasons. Firstly, they can now sail electrically. That's important because the city of Amsterdam has now made that a requirement for the boats operating in the city center and its inner waterways of Amsterdam. Secondly, the system is very easy to use. Our members can simply plug in to charge their boat batteries and easily handle payment themselves. Another major benefit of the system and platform we now use from La Dodos together with Ratio Electric is that as an association, we can directly bill our members of their energy consumption. Our advice to other community associations like ours would be: start exploring now what's needed to electrify your harbor. And of course, we highly recommend getting in touch with La Dodos, who can guide the process, and based on our own experience, working with Ratio Electric as their partner, we can truly say it's been excellent.